Hello there. Today we are going to learn what are the different type of cross-sells that you can have added to your store. If you take a look at your dashboard, the first one is Handpicked cross-sells. Handpicked cross-sells are individual product suggestions that can be shown on the product page or the upsell pop-up. So for example, let's say for this product over here, I only want a specific items to be shown on the cross-sells. I can hand-pick select which items I want to show. In this case, I only want the shoes items to be shown for this product. Once you've selected the items that you want, make sure to assign your cross-sells and save your options. Now, if I take a look at the product page, I can see that the exact items that I selected are the ones cross-selling on my product page. As mentioned, you can show your handpicked cross-sells in two different locations. One is your product page and another one is your upsell pop-up. Go on settings, and for your product pages, you can select to show your handpicked cross-sells if assigned. If not, you can have a backup to show your global product cross-sells. Or you can select to only show your handpicked cross-sells and no global product cross-sells will be shown. Be sure to save your options. Same for the upsell pop-up. You can select on your settings to show either your handpicked cross-sells if assigned with a backup of showing your global product cross-sells, or only show your handpicked cross-sells and no global product cross-sells will be shown. Save your options. Now, on your product page, once you click the Add to Cart button, you should see the upsell pop-up generating based on your handpicked cross-sells.